Foshan ELT Camp and Outdoor Technology Company Limited was founded in 2013 as a subsidiary of Ken Life Group, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of pontoon boat, aluminum boat, fishing boat, caravan, camper trailer, etc. Our company has rich experience in the water sport and outdoor camping industry. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. With export license, we export products to North America, Oceania, Europe, South America, Asia, Middle East, and Africa, won high recognition in overseas market. We are located in Foshan City, just 1 hour driving from Guangzhou Airport with convenient transportation access. The nearby seaport is Foshan, Guangzhou, Shenzhen. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our cooperated factory have obtained ISO certificate and products have obtained CE certificates. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please feel free to talk to our customer service center about your OEM or ODM requirements. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.